The electric car manufacturers say that their cars have zero carbon emissions. Is it really the case? Greetings to you all. My name is Tunayel. This is my second year at Middle East Technical University and I'm studying mechanical engineering. In this presentation, I will discuss two advantages of electric cars. So the first advantage is electric cars are cheaper in the long run. And the second one is electric vehicles are less harmful to the environment. So let's start with the first advantage. Okay, electric cars have become more popular in the market because of the developing battery systems. And here you can see on the left side there is a gasoline car, and on the right side there's an electric car. So electric cars are generally more expensive than gasoline cars, but in the long run, when you drive them, it can be more profitable compared to gasoline cars. So it would be appropriate to mention a study from the University of Michigan. It states that gasoline cars' fuel cost per year is $1,117. On the other hand, electric cars' electric cost per year is $485. There's a significant difference in there. If you want to make a quick calculation here, the difference between two vehicles is $6,090, and the electricity profit from electric car is $632. If you divide it, after 9 years, you start to make profit with the electric car. And it's not finished here. With the new trend, the trend of electric cars, most of the manufacturers start to make affordable cars for everyone. And here is the Volkswagen. The left bar shows the price of the electric car. It is 30,000 euros. And with the deduction of the environmental bonus that government provides, it drops 23,000 euros, and it is even cheaper than the other models of Volkswagen. So these were the economical advantages. So let's look at the second advantage. Electric cars are less harmful to the environment. But gasoline cars and electric cars have a main problem here: carbon emission. I want to divide this part into two: manufacturing and driving part. These points are verified by the study from the International Council on Clean Transportation very clearly, and I will focus on the first bar, the red bar, because it gives emissions for an average gasoline car. And I will focus on the third bar, which is green. It gives the emissions for an average electric car. So let's look at the carbon emissions for manufacturing. For electric vehicles, 6 tons of carbon dioxide gas are emitted in the production of an average electric car without batteries. This is without batteries. And if we add the batteries, 6 tons of carbon dioxide gas are emitted in the production of a battery. So totally 12 tons. On the other hand, surprisingly, 7 tons of carbon dioxide is emitted when producing an internal combustion car, which means a gasoline car. So electric cars are not that innocent here. But when we look at the main effect, carbon emissions while in driving, electric vehicles have a good opportunity here, because the carbon dioxide gas emitted due to electricity generation is approximately 8 tons for an average electric car. On the other hand, gasoline-powered vehicle releases 30 tons of carbon dioxide gas during its average life. So there's a big difference here. And that's why electric cars are less harmful to the environment. So let's look at the final total results. Totally 20 tons of carbon dioxide emission for electric vehicles, and for gasoline vehicles, totally 37 tons of carbon dioxide emission. And its gasoline vehicles emissions are twice as much as electric vehicles, so that's a big problem. Therefore, for the sake of our children, we need to choose electric vehicles more. To sum up the main points of this presentation, I covered why electric cars are cheaper in the long run and why electric cars have an important effect on the keeping environment cleaner. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below, and these are my references.